Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing plunger flipping in the rain. My camera's gonna get all wet. But you know what? It's gonna be a fun experience. Let's do this. Alright, there we go. Should be there. Dang it, my camera's gonna get splashed. Here we go. Plunger flip. Dang it. Plunger flip number 1. Plunger flip 2. Failed. Landed it before. Here we go. Yes! Let's see that. Oh, landed it. Can't find where there we go. All right, let's do this again. Ready, set, flip. Let's try that again. Ready, set, flip. Oh, you thought, guys. All right, I'll flip it. Nope. All right, here we go. Oh! Here we go again. Dang it. You know what? Let's go into the rain for real. We're in the rain, guys. Let's go over here. Oh, look at that. Look at all the rain. Plunger flipper. Dang it. Ugh. Go. I can't go on until I catch one on camera. I can't stop the video until I get one on camera. Ah, it's starting to rain faster. No, I'm not gonna make it. Yes, all right, that's one out of the 3 I have to make. Ah, no. Yes, that's 2. That's 3. But I don't think I got that one. No! I'm getting better at it. I have to wipe out my camera. Alright, here we go. No! Ugh. No! Here we go. Oh! If that landed. Ah! 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 Come on, I have to land it. Ah! No! No! Ah! Yes, there we go. Alright guys, so I just took a video for my thumbnail. I just took a picture for my thumbnail and I literally just flipped it and it landed. Alright guys, here we go. Slow motion. I did it. That's all that counts. I did it. Yes. Let's go back into the rain and do one more. This is fun. Oh, cool. It's not raining. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.